In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method to Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Canva website. You can do this by entering www.canva.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted by beautiful design templates. Now, don't get distracted by all these creative possibilities. Our main goal here is to add a payment method, so keep your focus. Next, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and sign in. If not, you'll need to create an account. This process is quick and straightforward, just follow the prompts. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Canva homepage. This is your hub for all things design on Canva. From here, look for your profile picture or the icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you will access account-specific options. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Canva account, including your personal information and billing details. Scrolling through the settings options, you'll find Billing. Click on Billing to be taken to a page where you can view and manage your financial information. This is a crucial step for those wanting to purchase Canva features or pay for a subscription plan. Once you're on the billing page, you'll see an option that says Add a Payment Method. Click on this and it will prompt you to fill in your payment details. You'll typically be asked for information like your card number, expiration date, and security code. Some regions may also offer alternative payment methods such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. After entering your payment details, double check to ensure all the information is correct. A little tip is to glance over your entries one extra time just to make sure there are no typos or errors that could lead to issues later. Once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the addition of the new payment method by clicking on the appropriate button. Canva might take a moment to process your information, but soon enough you'll have a new payment method linked to your account. And there you have it, you've successfully added a payment method to your Canva account. With your payment method set up, you're now ready to explore all the premium features Canva has to offer, making your design experience even more efficient and creative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and happy designing.